Today we will be testing the MPI indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
All right, as I said, today we will be testing the MPI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 809 indicators, with 328 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the MPI indicator. We actually tested this one on the last video. And in that last video, I explained that this indicator gives us these long signals here. So you can see the blue triangles with a long underneath it. Now this indicator is a combination of the parabolic SAR and I think the MACD, if I remember right. Maybe a couple other indicators kind of meshed in there as well. But nonetheless, it has these long signals here in blue. And the creator of the indicator specifically mentions that it gives long and short signals. And so if we scroll back here, pretty much as far as we can go, then you can see that it's only giving us these long signals, and then it has these black triangles that say profit. Now, initially, whenever I pulled this up, I thought that this indicator was giving us long signals and then telling us when to take profit. But the more that I look at it, and the fact that it doesn't give any short signals, I believe that maybe the creator of the indicator mistakenly made these black squares here that should have been the short signal and labeled them as a profit instead of a short. And so now I could be wrong. There could be something that I'm missing. If I go into the settings, there's no way to turn on short trades and long trades, which some indicators have. And as I showed in the last video, if you look here, it only has long trades here in blue, and then it has profit in black. There doesn't seem to be short anywhere on this. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and test this with both the long signals here. So when we get a blue triangle with a long, we're going to go long. When we get a black triangle with profit, we are going to go short. And see what we get out of that, and see if that makes any kind of a difference. So let's go ahead and test it and see what we get. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is going to be a short signal here on this profit triangle there. And you can see that we get a push to the downside here, which is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Looks like we're going to pick up a long right here. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit. Looks like that one's probably going to get us stopped out. Yep, so we make a little bit of a push to the upside here, but then roll over, make this heavy push to the downside, and that does come down and hit our 90 pip stop there. So this one does stop us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up another short right here on this profit triangle, and you can see that we get a really nice push to the downside here. And that one is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we pick up a long right here, and we make a push to the upside here that gets rejected. But this long wick right here that pushes up was able to come up and hit the 60 pip take profit. And so that one is a winning trade there. Looks like we're going to pick up another short right here on this one. But this one immediately gets rejected and price bounces to the upside and does come up and stop it out. All right, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. This is our Discord server. It's free to join. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon-only channel set up just for the patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for them to see. And so, for example, one of our members here at Sasquatch is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's doing analysis of the Forex market, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even sometimes where he is looking to take trades. I also put up just kind of general thought experiments and different tests that he will try. A lot of really great information that he puts out there. We also have some of our other members posting things like just videos that they find interesting. Here is our admin Jay. He is trading the futures market, and I think he just got back into trading Forex as well. And he's putting up charts like this as well, where he's doing analysis of the market and marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, trades that he's looking to take. And our other members here doing the same thing, where they are kind of throwing out charts where they have kind of highlighted where they're looking to take trades. Sometimes the profits that they're taking. Here's another one from Sasquatch, where he's marked out the trade that he's looking to take. So he has his entry, his stop, his take profit, and it just goes on and on. A lot of great information, a lot of really great people helping each other and bouncing ideas off of each other, supporting each other, and really helping to excel and grow each other's trading. So I highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's get everything in focus. So as we suspected, it did give us more trades within the 1 year's time, obviously, since now we have more signals. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. And so that is barely going to miss that 60% criteria that we were looking for. Pretty much puts us darn close to that 50% mark, just a hair over 50%. But you can see that it definitely helped out the indicator some using the profit marks as short signals. But what it did was basically just balance everything out. And so it seemed like there was moments where it would give us a long and then that would fail, and pretty immediately we would get a short that would then work. Or we would get a short and that would fail, and then pretty close we would get a long that would work. And so basically this indicator is throwing signals very quickly. It's extremely fast at calling the direction of the market. And so every little move that the market makes, every little kind of twitch and often little pullback that the market makes, it's throwing a signal as a trend direction change. And so that's kind of faking us out quite a bit, as some of these are just slight pullbacks and not really complete trend market directional changes. No, and so yeah, that's it for this one. This one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.